Hi, I'm Tony Browton with Remax City Realty and I'm excited to show you my latest listing here in Gibsons. My phone number is at the bottom of the screen, so please call or text me with any questions about this property. Enjoy the video and thanks for watching.
In this video, we're visiting a single property in Lower Gibsons that has 2 separate houses, 2 separate addresses, and 3 separate living spaces. 355 Camelia Way is a brand new level entry 2-bedroom home with stunning views from nearly every room. This house also has a separate studio suite on the lower level which has its own laundry and its own entrance. Lower on the lot, we find 354 Headlands Road, a cute as a button 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom cottage. Freshly painted and currently rented month to month, there's potential to generate more revenue should you decide to rent it out as a B&B. Located in the desirable Bay area of Lower Gibsons, these homes are easy walking distance to Gibsons Public Market, Gibsons Marina, and the shops and restaurants of popular Gibsons Landing. Your choice of 4 different beach accesses are less than a 10-minute walk from home. The Langdale Ferry Terminal is only 10 minutes away by car. This is an excellent location for a commuter or someone that's looking for a summer or weekend home. Let's head back to Lower Gibsons and take a tour of both houses. Starting on Camelia Way, we cross the graveled parking area before stepping inside. We make a beeline for the entertainment-sized deck with its incredible views of Mount Elphinstone and Gibsons Harbor. Back inside, we walk through the eat-in kitchen with its stainless steel appliances, butcher block countertops, and marble backsplashes. The living room is to our right, and on our left are steps that lead up to the loft. In front of us is the master bedroom. The master has a big closet and its own set of glass doors that open to the full-length deck. Right next door is the 5-piece washroom that pulls double duty as the laundry room. There's a freestanding deep soaker tub as well as a water closet. We back out of the washroom and cross the foyer where we came in on our way to the second bedroom. Bedroom number 2 has a big closet and a view of Mount Elphinstone. We turn around and climb the steps up to the loft on the second level. Upstairs is the TV room that has its own view of Mount Elphinstone and the marina. Behind us is a flex space that could be used as a den or just as a quiet place to take a nap. Back outside, we walk to the side of the home and down a set of gravel steps. At the bottom is a covered patio and an entrance to the common area foyer which connects to the studio suite. This suite could be used as additional living space, a guest room, an artist studio, or a vacation rental. There's a 4-piece washroom with a pocket door and an eat-in kitchen with 4 appliances, including an all-in-one washer-dryer combo. Windows at the end of this space provide another view of Mount Elphinstone. Back in the foyer, we turn right and find a large utility room / workshop that runs the length of the home. Finished at Camelia Way, we now go down to Headlands Road to explore the 3-bedroom cottage that also sits on this property. A short flight of stairs lead up to the partially covered patio and front door. Starting our tour inside the living room, we visit the first of 3 bedrooms. There are wood floors, a closet, and a front yard facing window. Next door is bedroom number 2. There's a closet, more wood floors, and 2 corner windows. The cottage's 4-piece washroom is super cute. There's a tiled tub surround and a good-sized vanity. Back in the living room, we see a big window that looks to the patio and the front yard. The eat-in kitchen has 2 appliances, room for a small kitchen table, and lots of cabinet and counter space. There's a washer and dryer as well as the back door in the mudroom at the rear of the home. To our left is the final bedroom, and it has a window and a closet. There are endless options for these 2 houses. Live in one space and use the other 2 as mortgage helpers, or choose to treat the entire property as an investment. This could also be the perfect arrangement for multi-generational living. You could live in one space with your parents, in-laws, or adult children in the others. These homes are move-in ready. One has been very well cared for and the other is brand new. It's also been pre-wired for an electric car charger. You're in a great location close to beaches, shopping, restaurants, and pretty much anything else that Gibsons has to offer. This property with 2 homes is a must-see. The Gibsons real estate market is hot right now, and this setup will be attractive to a wide cross-section of buyers. Hurry and call Tony today before you miss out.
So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about this or any other property, please give me a call. My phone number is 604-418-2695. I'd be happy to schedule an in-person tour for you or send you any additional information that you might be interested in. Thanks very much.